One of the many things you'll find inside your Mazda is the Mazda Connect infotainment system. This is where you'll find your radio and audio options, the navigation system if equipped, and even settings for select safety features. You can control it using the touchscreen display when the vehicle is not moving, or through the commander knob and shortcut buttons located in the center console. The nice thing about the multifunctional commander knob is that you can keep your eyes on the road, yet still navigate the Mazda Connect system with easy-to-use buttons and rotary knob. To make moving through the system quick, you'll find 5 shortcut buttons. With one push, you can jump to the Mazda Connect home screen, entertainment sources screen, navigation system map, your favorites, or return to the previous screen. And there's a volume dial that provides yet another quick way to control sound levels. Press it down to mute the audio altogether. If you want to select an item on the screen, just tilt or turn the knob. Once you get to the option you want, press down on the knob to make your selection. To further personalize the Mazda Connect system, all your favorite entries can be saved to one place. Under Favorites, you can store as many as 50 stations for AM, FM, and satellite radio, up to 50 phone book contacts, and even 50 of your favorite navigation destinations. To access your favorites, just press the Favorites button. To make changes, choose Add to place a new station, contact, or destination to your favorites list. Or delete existing entries if needed. Or, while enjoying entertainment from your audio sources, you can simply press and hold down the Favorites button to add that station or item. Do the same while browsing your contacts, addresses, or destinations to add items to those lists as well.